Hello friends from Brandenburg, Germany. This is the second part of my new series Drinks and Snacks from Mother Nature. It's spring and we can see day by day how everything is getting greener and greener. I really enjoy this season. But let's talk about the beech tree. The beech tree is known as a very good firewood. But did you know that the leaves of the beech tree are eatable? I'm just looking for the young leaves because they are soft and will be not bitter. Some weeks later they will be hard and bitter, not really good to eat. It tastes really good. You can eat them fresh or you can cook them as a vegetable. These are two beech nuts from the last autumn. You can eat them, but pay a little bit attention. They are slightly toxic. The beech nuts are losing their poison if you roast them. I promise you, you will get a very perfect meal. So, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you want to support me, please give me a like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Ciao.